Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Ford F150 sunroof. Start by diagnosing whether the problem is drainage, motor, switch, or tracks, then gather basic tools. First, open the sunroof and look for water, dirt, or obstructions in the channel and drains. Next, test the electrical switch and listen for motor noise while applying steady pressure. Document symptoms and proceed methodically to avoid costly mistakes and unnecessary parts replacement. Begin by removing interior trim as needed to access drain tubing and the sunroof channel, keeping screws organized. Use compressed air or a thin flexible cable to gently clear clogged drains and test flow by pouring a little water. Clean the channel with a soft brush and a mild vinegar solution to remove grime and prevent mold. Recheck drain exit points under the vehicle or wheel well to confirm water runs freely before reassembly. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make it great for picking up metal shavings and dust in your garage, saving time after repairs. It handles debris well and is easy to schedule around projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the motor is silent or intermittent, remove the motor cover and test for power with a multimeter while operating the switch. Clean and lubricate the guide rails with silicone spray, not grease, to maintain smooth movement. Inspect the drive cables and sliders for wear and replace any frayed parts. If the motor gets power but won't move, swapping the motor assembly is often more reliable than extensive internal repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.